There's a rumor that Elon Musk is dumping Bitcoin again. Bitcoin prices is crashing. Let's analyze the whole crypto markets together and see what's going on. Okay, so this is a Bitcoin weekly chart. I recommend you guys to use TradingView Pro. Is the best retail trading charting system. I have been bearish. I said quite a few times that we are going to be peaking around the $31,000, which, you know, we're now showing more weakness. This is a weekly chart. You can see I have done a big sort of trend circle into Bitcoin chart. You can it's quite you can do this lot chart to draw that. This is very relevant to me because it shows you where the peak and the low point from the last since 2017. So we got 6 years data here. All right, so a couple of times we made the low, bump higher. That's 2018, and then 2020 we made the base and go. So for me, the current move from early part of the year looks quite similar to 2019. I said that multiple times. So, however, the move from this time round, 2023, this move compared to the move in 2019 is a lot weaker. So could the correction be stronger? Let's see. All right. So to see it more detailed now, I will then drop down to a daily chart to see a bit more detail. So now this is daily chart. You can see the support level around the 29,000 is now broken through. I think, you know, it's not much support until sort of right 25,000 area, so we can draw down there and range a little bit. Eventually breaks, and then I will look for one really big selling bar. Should change it to red, I guess. Let me just do that. Look for the massive selling bar around this area here, and then looking to buy around the $20,000 area, but probably won't happen until sort of like end of the year. But you know, don't think you will have multiple time to sort of buy in, so don't buy everything right now. So when they make a base, it like to stay in the base for a little while anyway, so no need to rush. I predict around end of the year anyway, so or could be early part of the year, so I'm just patiently waiting. Let's move on to Ethereum and see what Ethereum's doing. Ethereum, you can see again breaking down the low point, the 1,600 area is broken now. You know, some ranging probably would happen. I think plans has not changed. I will be looking to buy around the sub $1,000 area end of the year. If we go back up to a time frame to weekly, we do have a channel too. So around 1,300 will be a buying point. Could it go lower? Anything lower than 1,300, I'll be happy to buy and hold. And then target wise, we shall see how high can it go. But if you become a member of us, we will update you where is our buying points, when exactly I'm buying, when exactly we will be selling. Finally, Ripple. They won the SEC court case. You can see I said multiple times during my previous video on crypto, we have one exhaustive buying on the news day, and then they drop off. No follow through, couldn't manage to break the high, and then they just range around, and now we're dropping lower. We're now at 50 cents, touched around just below 40 cents. When will I buy it? Original plan was let's clear the drawing first. Original plan is around maybe 35, 30 cents. It could be get as low as a sub 20 mark in this area. So we really have to see how hard is other cryptocurrency selling. So this will be my buying zone area. Okay. other factors that make me bearish on cryptocurrency market is Nasdaq is already selling quite hard. I'm looking to short the Nasdaq as well sometime next week or the week after. If you'd like to learn more, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel because we provide all market update for forex market, stock market, and cryptocurrency market so beginners can learn from our YouTube video. Thanks for watching.